Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2021 Ford Expedition XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 Ecoobost Engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities. And taking a look at the back here, we got a rear park sensing, backup camera, roof spoiler with roof rails. We do get a lift glass as well, mud flaps on the rear and front, ripped running boards on either side, blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, and we get a black hood deflector on the front. We do get remote start, which is pretty handy during the cold winter months, with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button on the latch there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You get some storage underneath, your jack, lights, hooks, and doodads. You can collapse your last row by just hitting that, and they will go down automatically. For more storage, cup holders, outlets, you can collapse your headrest by just hitting those buttons on either side. 12 volt with USBs on either side, and you can bring them back up. All pretty handy, and to close, all you have to do, hit this button or swing your foot underneath, and it will close automatically for you. Now, taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 8 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space. We got floor mats, carpet interior. You got a step to get to the back, where all you have to do, lift this up, and you can move your seat forward and back for 3 additional seats, all with leathering as well. Cup holders, got rear climate controls, USB and USB-C, 110 volts, some storage here, and plenty of room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, power folding mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. You have your headrest in the back, liftgate, lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 96,751 kilometers. We get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, volume, playback, play forward mode. We have our mute, voice, phone, cruise control, and toggle for your screen, which you can then go through My View, trip and fuel, vehicle info, towing, off-road, and other settings. To remember, we get tons of storage, cup holders. You got your gear select with your speeds, dry modes, rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive. We got a wireless charging pad with some outlets, and it does close. Center console as well with tons of storage. We got a trailer brake, trailer backup assist, dual climate up front with heated and cooled front seats. Got 12 volt and storage above, below, on the dash. And looking above me, we get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle with a garage door transmitter. Looking here, we have our hill, traction, hazards, lane centering, and auto stop auto start. And looking at our main screen here, we do get navigation, audio, phone, heated steering wheel. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls. Your navigation, pretty easy to use, where you can zoom in and out, and you can type where you want to go. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your SiriusXM travel link. Settings such as SiriusXM, mobile, general, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Ford Pass, display, valet mode, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EB00123B, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.